Everybody get back.
Get back. Get in the shop.
This is the first start.
Get in the shop. I'm trying. Yeah, get in the shop. Go. Rocco.
Yeah.
Shirocco.
Get in the shop.
Come.
Right now. Hurry up.
Come on.
Quick.
Come on, shop dog. Get in the shop. Good. Stay.
Okay, so I got too excited. We're supposed to do an unboxing, but we yanked it out, so it's out already.
It's unboxed.
Yeah, Royce and I already stuck motor oil in it. I gave it a blow job.
He did, man. I missed that.
And
You
now
got to
Royce is gonna
redo.
go ahead and yank on its crank. You ready?
Yeah, does he consent?
Yeah, I think it does. I got the choke out.
Oh.
Come on, Grandpa.
Sweet. All right. It's not in water, right? We stop it.
This is the break-in process. You're supposed to run it for 30 seconds with no oil.
You gotta be able to put your finger through.
Yeah, you gotta be able to flap. It's alive.
It's got a stutter.
Yeah, it's got a, I don't have water in me stutter. Alright, so everything looks good.
Yay.
Yeah, I guess the next step is get it in the boat, huh? Yeah, that's good. What a nice little cupboard. Shame so many birds are gonna poop all over this.
Ceramic coated.
Yeah, ceramic coated bird poop catcher. I'll just have ceramic coated bird poop.
Bird poop coated ceramic.
So apparently this is not one you can put with the gas cap on.
Not sure. That's the real suit. So don't fly off when you want to turn all night.
Yay, he did it.
Yay, I opened a box. Yeah, this is cool. I'm excited.
It's been what? A year? 2 years?
2 years. I ordered it 2 years ago in October, and it didn't arrive until a year ago in March. Yeah, paid for it, waited, Christmas, nothing. Valentine's Day, nothing.
Summer, nothing.
Yeah. No, I think I got it in April Fool's or some shit like that.
Oh, wow. What's today?
Hey, it's missing something.
So you use the used one? That's not going to stick very good.
Oh my god,
That,
she's such a
what
cute
a,
boy.
what a fucking ironic sticker.
I haven't done anything yet.
Yeah, but it's on a gas-powered motor.
God,
What?
kill it.
I'm just laughing.
You're laughing. All right.
Yeah.
There you go. Now the fuel can move. Oh my God! Tried to push this. Tried to crank start it, but the fuel shut off. That was brilliant.
Or we're just checking line compression.
Yeah, I was checking line vacuum. It's there. The whole thing's cavitated. Need to find some red tape so I can make a spot that shows that's where you can turn it.